Visit Jungle Safari Part 2. You are watching Jungle Safari. These are black leopards. Black leopard, actually metallistic in color, not found in India, but very, very beautiful and peaceful, stronger. And this is Kori Bustard bird found in South Africa. Wings are 8 feet wide. Heaviest bird that has weight more than 15 kg, 15 to 20 kg of weight. It flies less when it needs. Otherwise, it runs in the ground. Kori Bustard bird is one of the heaviest bird in the world. In summer vacation, and this is fowling of fox. Do you know fowling? Fox has so many voices. Once it barks, once it cries, but when it has requirement to send its voice far off from the place, then it says shh, then it does fowling. This is the fowling of the fox you are watching. In Jungle Safari, you may visit and you may see white tigers, Kori Bustard birds, and black leopards. All are visible in Jungle Safari. And these are red shambhar. What a beautiful scene you are observing. In summer vacation, you should go to Jungle Safari.